So this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm gonna do a detailed comparison between three hair trimmer. One is from Braun. You can see Braun, German company. The box here 2+ trimmer comb. Here this is trimmer for your beards or other hair you can cut. So German one, 22 euros. At the metal we have Remington, 20 euros. This is established New York 1937, American company, Nano series, nose and detail trimmer, fully washable 100%. And see the vibration, other information, lovely looking box. Another Remington here, this one Remington T series. This is a high quality, 34 euros in this case. Complete detail kit, this one. Detail kit for precise styling with ease. A beautiful box as well. So this is more premium and 34, 20 and 22. So I'm gonna compare this one. I will tell you, if you want to travel and easy purpose, this one will be good for you. This is Braun, but is not very detailed in this case. If you want to use everyday life, this is not a good choice. For everyday life in the budget price, this Remington is better, is Nano series. But if you have a high budget, high end, you can go for this one. And it's auto sharpen itself, okay? Lovely. If I put here, see, this is a powerful machine, very vibration, very strong machine. This one, I can tell you very easily, guys. I've been using this one in couple of days. This one is good for the purpose if you are traveling. In this case, if you're traveling, if you want a small trimmer, you can see here the battery is very small inside. You inject and go on. AAA size of battery. You cover. This one is up. The button, you can see very smooth, small button. Put this one. How the head is. Okay, you can see. And if you want to take off the head, you can do that as this. I'm gonna show you how you can use this one now. I'm gonna try Braun here. Put this on and see. If you want to buy this product, is not bad, but doesn't cut properly. Little bit for traveling purpose is fine. Remington Nano series. Show you the blade how it is, and I put from down. It has the power. I feel good power in this. See the blade how it's moving. Wow. But the button position is not good, guys. Whatever, I'm gonna take this head off. Clockwise direction, if you move, I guess I can take this off. Here we go. Easy, looks something as the Philips the same way. Better than Wahl. That is another, I tried the German brand. And I'm gonna put another head here. Lovely. Tight a bit. And the bottom, you move only the button I don't like, but here you see it's powerful, it's vibrate a lot. Okay, and I will take this head out to show you guys. Lovely machine, powerful. I feel at my hand. Wow. Only at the bottom, this button here, I should be at the middle, the button, more standard. Let me show you the body more closer. Here you have some hole. Anti-clockwise direction to take out. Put another head. Now we'll check with another head here. See how lovely. It has a good grip, guys. Let's try. And let's change the head. Try to cut some hair. You see some beards. Cutting this works. This one works very good. It has a premium glimpse to it. Lovely. It is premium. It's heavy. I feel heavy because the machine should be heavy. You see Remington is written. The power button to on and off is here. This is, you see, the line 1 is on and the 0 is off, and battery goes down to here for some grip. The bottom, more information is written, very detailed, you can see here. And this head is lovely. It's platinum head. You can see more detail if I put close, golden line. Very premium product. This is one of the most premium product so far. Premium nose or hair cutter. Better than Philips. I have unboxed Philips one. Philips is also premium, but this I feel high quality. So this head you can change. If you move this way, see here, golden plastic inside, but here no plastic. Some of them they have plastic here. They are very cheap looking. So this one is not plastic. I tied this one, and the battery should be from down. This way you take this out. They send you a battery, but I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use my rechargeable battery. This is in loop from Panasonic. The really good high quality battery, and this way put inside the battery and you close. Here we go. Now we close this way. You see, when you match this line here, it will start the machine. This is only one problem. You should have some button here at the middle, but this one has at bottom. I don't like a lot this button at the bottom. It's not that comfortable, to be honest, to manage at the down. The button here, that is more comfortable. So you see here, very strong blade. I feel powerful at my hand. It vibrates a lot. Lovely in this case. You can see here how the head is. I will cut some here to show you. So I off this one. Perfect. This is the main head I bought this product for. The sound of Braun, you can listen how it is. This is Remington Nano series. Listen the sound. This is strong as well. This is sound of Remington Titanium series. This is strong, guys. I put them together. You can listen, they are good. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.